Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add the MMD models on your Blender, then this video is for you. So first you have to open the Blender, and if you are on Blender right now, and if you have the updated version, then you can do is open your browser and simply search for this URL here. You can find https://github.com/powerop/blender_mmd_tools. When you search for it, you can find this Blender tool where it's actually from the PowerOP. So you can scroll down and you can find the download option here. So make sure that you have followed this URL perfectly. You can find it like here. Then when you find it, simply click on this download button here, and it will start downloading the zip file. Here it is. You can see it has just downloaded. Simply click on this file to show this on your files here. Now you have to do is simply right click on it, and you can find extract all options. So you have to extract this zip file. Simply click on extract, and it has just extracted. Now make sure you have the file location where it is located. So simply double click on it, and from here you can find the MMD tools, and this is the MMD tools where you can find this, and you have to simply right click on this MMD tools, and you can find show more options, and you can find send to, and simply click on compress zipped folder. Simply click on it, and here you can see it has just added. Hit enter, and here is the zip file, that compressed zip file. So now you have to do is go to Blender and click on edit. Here you can find beside the file here, and then you have to do is simply click on preferences from here, and you can find the add-ons. Simply click on add-ons. Now here you can find all the add-ons, and here at the right side you can find a tiny drop down icon. Simply click on it, and from here you can find install from disk. Click on install from disk and go to the exact location where you have just saved the MMD file, MMD tool file. So you have to go to the download. I have just saved it to download here. Now you have to find that where it is. Here it is. Now simply click on it, and from here you can find this mmdtools.zip. So you have to double click on it, and here you can see it has just added. When you spend this, you can find that this MMD tools has just added. Now you have to make sure that this checkbox is enabled here, and that's pretty much all thing. And you have to simply close this, and when you have to simply click on it file, here you can find import, and you can find you will be able to add this pmt.pmd.pmx.vmd.vpd. You can add, you will be able to add these models here. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.